Why does the world of 2023 still care about programming languages, you might ask? Well, programming languages are the building blocks of our digital world. They're the tools we use to create, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible in tech. They are the lifeblood of every app, website, and software system we interact with daily. In 2023, these languages continue to evolve, driving the digital revolution forward. They empower developers to craft solutions that shape our lives, from enhancing cybersecurity to creating immersive virtual realities. Just imagine a world without the likes of Python, Java, or JavaScript. It's almost unthinkable, right? Staying current with programming language trends is more than just keeping up with the times. It's about understanding the landscape of technology and leveraging it to create robust, innovative solutions. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a beginner, understanding the most used programming languages can make a huge difference. So let's dive into the top programming languages of 2023 in our next scene. So, what are the most used programming languages in 2023? This year, the programming world is dominated by a few key players. Python, JavaScript, and Java continue to lead the pack, each offering unique features and applications that have solidified their positions at the top. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, has become the go-to language for beginners and experts alike. Its versatility makes it a popular choice in a variety of sectors. In the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python's extensive library support and community resources have made it a powerhouse. From automating simple tasks to developing complex AI algorithms, Python is a force to be reckoned with. Next, we have JavaScript. Despite being around for over 2 decades, JavaScript remains crucial in the web development space. Its ability to run on the client side, enhancing user interaction and reducing server load, is a major advantage. Moreover, the rise of frameworks like React and Node.js has enabled JavaScript to handle more complex applications, making it not only a staple in front-end development, but also a strong contender in the back-end. Java, a tried-and-true language, is still very much in demand. Its write once, run anywhere philosophy has allowed it to adapt and thrive in our increasingly mobile world. In the realm of enterprise-scale applications, Java's robustness and scalability are invaluable. Its strong typing, object-oriented approach, and vast ecosystem make it a reliable choice for large-scale complex projects. But let's not forget about the newcomers. Languages like Rust and Go have been gaining traction, offering performance and efficiency improvements over their predecessors. Rust, with its focus on memory safety without sacrificing performance, and Go, prized for its simplicity and efficiency, are both languages to watch as we move forward. In the ever-evolving landscape of programming languages, these are the ones that stand out in 2023. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, its own niche where it shines the brightest. Choosing the right language can depend on many factors, including your project's needs, your personal preferences, and the language's capabilities. Now that we've taken a closer look at the most used programming languages in 2023, what should we remember? Well, first off, we've established that programming languages are the backbone of our increasingly digital world. They're the hidden scripts that power everything from our smart appliances to the websites we browse daily. They're critical for developing new technologies, improving existing ones, and solving complex problems in every sector you can imagine. We also highlighted the top programming languages of 2023. Python, with its simplicity and versatility, continues to be a favorite among both beginners and seasoned developers. Java remains a strong contender, known for its robustness and wide applicability, especially in enterprise environments. JavaScript, the language of the web, holds its position for front-end web development, while also gaining traction in back-end with Node.js. And let's not forget about Rust and Go, which are gaining popularity for their performance and efficiency in system-level programming. Finally, we discussed how to choose the right programming language for your needs. It's not about picking the most popular or the most hyped language. Instead, your choice should depend on your specific goals, the problem you're trying to solve, and the environment you're working in. A budding data scientist might lean towards Python for its rich ecosystem of data analysis libraries, while someone developing a high-performance game engine might opt for C++ for its low-level control and efficiency. Remember, the landscape of programming languages is ever-changing. New languages emerge, old ones evolve, and trends shift. But at the heart of it all is the drive to create, to solve problems, and to make our digital world a better place. So, what's the bottom line here? Keep your finger on the pulse of the programming world. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and don't be afraid to dive into a new language if it aligns with your goals. Remember, the best programming language is the one that helps you effectively and efficiently achieve your goals. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding.